Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very common but really uncomfortable problem, tongue sores. If you've experienced the discomfort, you know how irritating it can be. But don't worry, tongue sores are common and often solvable at home. Now, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify the tongue sore. First off, make sure what you're dealing with is actually a tongue sore. There are various types of tongue issues, some might require medical intervention. If you're unsure, consult a healthcare provider for a proper diagnosis. But if it's a regular tongue sore, let's move on. Step 2. Prepare a warm saltwater rinse. Saltwater rinses are widely recommended for oral health problems, and for good reason. A study from the Journal of Oral Biology and Craniofacial Research in 2017 highlighted the benefits of using saline solutions for oral care. All you need is a cup of warm water and a teaspoon of salt. Mix the salt in the water until it dissolves. Step 3. Rinse with salt water. Take a sip of the saltwater solution and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds. Make sure it covers the sore area. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Salt water can help to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. Step 4. Apply baking soda. Baking soda is another household item that's been recommended. It neutralizes acids and promotes healing. Apply a little bit directly onto the sore and let it sit for a few minutes. A study in oral surgery, oral medicine, oral pathology in 1997 showed baking soda rinses can promote healing. Step 5. Use over-the-counter creams. There are over-the-counter creams specifically designed for tongue sores or canker sores. Creams containing benzocaine can numb the area, reducing discomfort, as described in a publication by the Mayo Clinic. Step 6. Apply ice. Ice can help numb the area and reduce inflammation. Wrap an ice cube in a cloth and place it directly on the sore. This is more of a temporary relief, but it helps. Step 7. Consider vitamin B supplements. Low levels of vitamin B can contribute to tongue sores. So, taking a vitamin B complex supplement can help, according to the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Dentistry in 2017. Step 8. Maintain good oral hygiene. Use a soft toothbrush to avoid aggravating the sore and opt for an alcohol-free mouthwash. This is a preventive measure, but it's also part of the healing process. Step 9. Use aloe vera gel. The gel from the aloe vera plant has anti-inflammatory properties and promotes healing. Apply a small amount directly on the sore area. Important note: if the sore doesn't improve after a couple of weeks, or if you experience frequent occurrences, consult a healthcare provider for a more comprehensive treatment approach. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more health-related tips. Thanks for watching.